Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can unlock the iPhone and access the Apple ID settings. This prevents account lockouts. Open Settings, go to Privacy, then Location Services, and tap Share My Location. Do it now. Once done, decide. Temporarily pause sharing for specific contacts or stop all sharing from this device. Make sure to use your passcode or Face ID when prompted. This action is immediate and won't notify others through push alerts. Next, open the Find My app to manage people explicitly. Select a contact and choose Stop Sharing to remove their live access. This change happens without a notification message. Then, return to Settings, right arrow Privacy, right arrow Location Services, and toggle off apps that track you in the background, which reduces accidental reveals. If you want a full cut, disable Share My Location at the top of Find My. Once turned off at the account level, location updates stop across devices tied to that Apple ID. Finish by verifying the change. Log into iCloud. Or use a secondary device linked to the same Apple ID to ensure your location no longer appears. If your location still shows, sign out of iCloud on the iPhone and sign back in to refresh sharing tokens. Make sure you know your Apple ID password before doing this. As a last resort troubleshooting tip, use airplane mode or temporarily remove the SIM to instantly stop cellular and GPS reporting. Then reapply settings once the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.